Okay, number 28, 29, and 30 says solve the following inequalities, show work, answer must be in interval notation, graph the solution on the number line. So let's get started. Right away, I know these are all and problems because they're all put together with two inequalities. So remember, you draw a line at both inequalities and you solve it kind of like normal, except it has two sides. Okay, so my goal is to get this x in the middle alone. So how do I get rid of the plus 5? I'm going to do minus 5, but I have to do it on all three pieces. So that gives me negative 15 is less than 5, x is less than 5. And so now I have to get rid of the 5, so divide by 5, divide by 5. And I divided by a positive, so I don't have to flip anything. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. So this is what I have. So when I put this on a number line, I want you to realize we have negative 3 and we have 1. And you have to read it from the inside out. So x is being eaten, therefore x is bigger than negative 3. And it's not equal to, so it gets a parentheses. And x is less than 1. So and problems is where it overlaps. So this is not a part of the solution, this is not a part of the solution. So it goes from farthest left is negative 3 to 1, both with parentheses. There is your interval notation. So let's look at number 29. Same concept. Draw my line, solving for x. So I'm going to do minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. This gives me negative 6 is less than 6x is less than or equal to, what does that give me, 17, 18? 18. I don't know why I hesitated so long. And now I have to divide by 6, all pieces. So that gives me negative 1 is less than x is less than or equal to 3. So similar, but not the same. So I have negative 1 is smaller than 3. And again, x is being eaten, so x is bigger than negative 1. And it's not equal to, so it's a parentheses. X is less than or equal to 3. This is an equal, so it's a square bracket. And it's still an and problem because it's all together. So it starts at negative 1 with a parentheses and ends at 3 with a square bracket. So that's not a part, that's not a part. Okay, another one like this. Again, draw your lines. And now I'm solving for x, so minus 2 on all three pieces. Negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. Divide everything by 3. Bring down your symbols. That gives me negative 3. That gives me 1. So it's exactly like this one. Almost. This one has a square bracket with 1. So the only difference, x is greater than negative 3. I know it's a less than sign, but we're reading it backwards. Not equal to, x is less than or equal to 1. So we have negative 3 comma 1 with a square bracket this time.